Starting from inventing the basic structure doctrine, the judiciary has played a highly proactive role in ensuring that India develops into a thriving democracy. In light of the statement, evaluate the role played by judicial activism in achieving the ideals of democracy. 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. The Indian judiciary plays a crucial role in maintaining democracy through its power of judicial review. Judicial activism has been essential in protecting democratic principles. A key example is the basic structure doctrine from the landmark case Keswananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala, 1973, which states that Parliament cannot change the Constitution's basic structure. Body, role of judicial activism in democracy, protection of fundamental rights, Article 21 guarantees the right to life and liberty. In Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India, 1978, the court stated that this right includes living with dignity. In Justice K.S. Puttaswamy vs. Union of India, 2017, the court recognized privacy as a fundamental right. Public interest litigation, PILs allow citizens to seek justice for public interest issues. The S.P. Gupta vs. Union of India, 1981, case allowed any citizen to approach the court for legal remedies. Environmental jurisprudence, the judiciary has actively protected the environment, linking it to Article 21. In MC Mehta vs. Union of India, 1986, industries causing pollution in Delhi were shut down. Safeguarding secularism and social justice, the court upholds secularism, as seen in S.R. Bommai vs. Union of India, 1994, and directed guidelines for sexual harassment in Vishaka vs. State of Rajasthan, 1997. Checks and balances. Judicial review maintains checks on legislative and executive powers, ensuring no misuse of authority and upholding the rule of law. Conclusion. Judicial activism has greatly enhanced Indian democracy by establishing a rights-based system that protects the interests of all citizens. Balancing activism and restraint remains vital for the judiciary's role in governance.